components, that will be lever and spring. It is all means total are 12 components. So remaining 2 is left in for RAM bottom assembly. So I will make it. Let's start. First take front plane, sketch. First component will be lever, so I will make it. Take circle command from sketch. Choose origin point. Make one smaller circle and another will be different diameter. Make here 2 circles. Add relation. Select this point and this. Make horizontal. OK. Now go to sketch, slot, use straight slot. First point will be from origin point only. Make one rough sketch so that we will at the end we will put smart dimensions. Use circle. Select this point of slot. Now make this sketch. Trim it. Now add one relation here. I will choose this circle and this line. Make it tangent. OK. Now add some dimensions here. Select smart dimension. Choose this line and this point. Make it 44 mm. Choose this circle. The diameter will be 13 plus 13, that will be 26. OK. This circle diameter will be 12 mm. Now give the distance from this point to this point. Make it 100 mm. Select this point up to this point. Give the dimension for slot. Now give this whole dimension. Select this point and this. Give it 510 mm. give this radius dimension as 20 mm radius, and the slot will be radius 6 mm. Now give dimension again, select this point. First I will make a center line. Now select this center point and this, go to add relation, select this point and symmetry, go to symmetry. Okay, now go to smart dimension, select this point and this point, make it 60 mm. First thing we have to make this tangent, so go to add relation, select this arc and this line tangent, but it is fully defined, so delete it. Now we will apply tangent, so go to add relation, select this line and this tangent. Actually here we have to make a 60 mm here, so this will be wrong, so delete these lines. Make two lines here. Give add relation, select this line and this line collinear, make relation collinear. Okay, now trim, use trim entities, trim this extra arc. Okay, now give the dimension, select this and this, select this point and this point, make it 60 mm. Now apply symmetry here, so go to add relation, select this point and this point and this vertical axis, use symmetry. Now use here trim again, go to smart dimension again, give this diameter as 9 mm. Okay, select this point and this, select this diameter as select this distance as 16 mm. Okay, go to add relation. Now select this point and this point, make it vertical. Okay, so now our sketch is fully complete. Only we have to give one line here. And one center line. Select this point and this line, make it 100 mm. Select this line and this, make it 25 mm. Go to add relation, select this and this arc, make it tangent. Okay, and now select this smart dimension, select this point and this, height will be 44 mm. Okay, so now our sketch is fully completed. You can give here fillet also by using sketch fillet. Go to sketch, fillet, make a 12 mm radius, select this point and this point. Okay, now exit it. Now go to extrude boss from features, select this part, end condition will be mid plane, make 12 mm. Okay, now again go to boss extrude, under scroll, select the sketch. Now this time select this sketch, end condition will be mid plane. Now this time take depth as 6 mm. Okay, now again choose front plane, sketch. Here you can see one revolve command here. We have to make a revolve extrusion here. So take center line from sketch command, make it fully defined by using smart dimension, select up to here. Now go to line, make one half portion for revolve command. Like this. Now go to smart dimension, select this line, select this point up to this vertex, make it 46 mm. Select this vertical axis, and this line. The diameter will be 12 mm. Select this line and make it 120 degree. No, sorry, delete. Choose this center line and this line. Angle will be 30 degree. Okay. Go to exit, take revolve boss, our revolve has been previewed here. Now click OK. Now make here some fillet. I will go to features, fillet, take 12 mm radius, select this edge. Our whole preview has been seen here. Click OK. You can give it here also fillet. So here it will be 2 mm. Take this edge and select this edge. Now our preview has been seen here, fillet. Give it in this portion only. Click OK. So now our model has been completed. This is our second last model for safety wall, ram bottom safety wall. If you want to give color, you can give it as per your choice. Okay, save it. Name it as lever. Okay. So our last component will be spring. First shave this lever. So our last component is now spring. So go to new, select part. Okay. For spring, I will choose first top plane, sketch. Diameter of spring will be 60 mm. So go to sketch, circle, exit, apply dimension, give it 60 mm dia, exit. Now for spring I will go to features, curves. You can see here helix and spiral. Go to it, select this circle, defined by choose height and pitch. Constant parameters will be constant pitch, height will be 97 mm, pitch distance will be 9.70, start angle will be 0 degree. Now exit, OK, click OK. Now our this portion has been created here, so go to front plane, sketch, control 8, select center point arc, make it through origin point, add some relation here. Go to display, delete relations, add relation, select this point and this origin point, make it vertical, OK. Again go to add relation, select this point and this point, make it horizontal, OK. Now go to smart dimension, select this point and this, distance will be 30 mm and radius take 30 mm. Now for angle choose this point and this and this last point, make it as 145 degree, OK. Exit. So I want to make here one line to join this both sketches. So go to sketch, scroll down in sketch, use 3D sketch, take here spline command. Now here select this end point of spiral and join this to our arc that we have created. Select OK. Now we have to give some directions here, so select this line, this end point, make it horizontal, and the second one you can see, take this, make it Y in Y axis, OK. You can extend also, adjust this by yourself. Exit. Now see both the arcs have joined here or not. It is joined it. Now again go to front plane, sketch, normal to profile, make here another arc same as it is, should start from origin point only. Add relation, select this point and this, make it horizontal. Okay, now give the dimensions here, smart dimension, select this point and this origin point, give here 97 plus 30, that is 127. So and the arc radius will be 30 mm. Now select this point and this third one, give angle as 150 degree. Okay, now again give here add relation, select this point and this point, make it vertical. See, now our arc has fully defined. Okay, exit. We have to make a plane line here by using 3D sketch. So scroll down sketch in sketch manager, use 3D sketch, use spline, take this point, be careful here, we have to join it. Okay, now select this spline, select this point, make it x-axis, and select this point, make it y-axis. Okay, adjust it. Exit. Now go to features. Our two arcs have been created here, so go to features, scroll down in curve commands, go to composite curves, select all these sketches that we have created. Okay, now see our sketch has been composited. If I have chosen this, it will select all the lines. Now first thing, we have to go to reference geometry, plane, select this sketch geometry and select here one point. As you can see the preview of it, second reference will be this point. It will create some geometry here also. Okay, in our sketch you can see 9 mm diameter. We have to make this circle here so that our spring will be completed. So select this plane, sketch, control it, use circle, make one circle from origin point, apply dimension, make it 9 mm dia. Okay, exit. So Go to Sweat Browse. Our sketch is selected in profile. Now select the path, select this. You can see the preview of it. Click OK. Hide these planes and this sketch. Our spring has completed. As per our given drawing, color it. So this is our last component of our ram bottom safety wall. In the next video, I will show you how to assemble all of these components so that we will make our assembly. Thank you for watching it. Stay blessed. Bye.